Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by removing the on-screen Chrome widget. This is often the thing you mean. Make sure Chrome and Android are updated because behavior differs by version. Long press the search bar at the top of your home screen, then drag it to remove or tap Uninstall Widget. Once done, open your launcher settings to confirm widgets aren't re-added automatically. You're done with the visible home screen bar. Next, we'll handle the in-app, address bar options, and alternatives for a true Chrome-free view. Inside the Chrome app itself, the Omnibox, search/address bar, is not removable in regular tabs. Chrome enforces it for security. Instead, make a progressive web app. Open the website, tap menu, choose Add to Home Screen. This launches the site without the Chrome UI. If you need broader full-screen browsing, enable immersive flags, Chrome//flags, or choose a browser that supports kiosk or UI-less modes. Make sure to test the PWA launch. It gives a clean, address bar-free window for specific sites. Finish by rebooting the phone to lock in changes and clear Chrome's cache if you see odd behavior. Make sure no utility or launcher is re-adding the widget. Disable widget restoration in launcher settings and remove backup restores that may reapply it. If the bar keeps returning, uninstall Chrome updates or reset the launcher to defaults. This fixes pinned widget bugs. One key tip: if nothing works, use a dedicated browser or PWA for full-screen browsing rather than fighting the Omnibox. It's more reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.